Hello guys, just found this very nice model Tesla on Aliexpress. This one is made from a metal, real nice, die-cast I think it's called. It's amazingly detailed. It even has the heating threads on the rear windscreen here. But what's really nice of it is that you can open the doors. You can open, of course, all doors like this. Open the hatch. And of course the bonnet. But the real nice things about this, it also has a Tesla screen inside. If this is possible to see. But I'm not sure, but I will make a better picture of it. It has a compartment under here, which can store 3 LR44 batteries. And when you have put this one inside, then you have this switch. You can put it in the middle position. Let me see if I can get this the right way. Then you will get lightning on the front and the rear. If you put it on the outmost position, it's all black, but black, no light. Then you can push the bonnet down, or the wheel, and you get an electric car with an engine. How nice is that? And then it also has an alarm system. There it goes off. The right door gives this sound. Chip chip. And the left door, of course, gives this sound. But it's still amazing for this little money. And like I told you, if you put it down like this, you just press on the hood. And then it starts. Electric car with an engine sound. Amazing, eh? How they managed to do this in China. Okay guys, there you have it. Tesla Model X. Light in the front and light in the back. Amazingly nice model for the little price. Even the steering wheel is moving when I turn in the wheels. Yeah. I will provide links for it if you like it. Up in the corner and down below, so you can check it out and see the latest prices for it. It's not that expensive. Thanks for watching guys, hope to see you in the next one.